In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer reviews to your Shopify store, a great way to build trust and connect with your customers by showcasing their feedback. Let's dive right in by navigating to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see a variety of options designed to help you manage your store. Here, you want to find and click on Apps. This section is pivotal, as it's where you can enhance your store's functionality by integrating third-party applications. After clicking on Apps, you'll want to make use of the search functionality. Simply enter the term Product Reviews into the search bar. This action will seamlessly transport you to the Shopify App Store. Think of the Shopify App Store as a treasure trove of applications, each designed to help elevate different aspects of your store. Here, specifically, we're interested in those apps that can facilitate customer reviews. The Shopify App Store will present you with a list of product review apps. These apps are crafted by various developers and offer different tools and capabilities to add customer reviews to your site. It's crucial to explore the options presented. Take a moment to click on each app that catches your eye. This allows you to delve into their features, plans, and functionalities. By doing so, you ensure that the app you choose aligns perfectly with your store's needs and strategy. Once you've decided on the app that best fits your requirements, it's time to move forward by clicking on the Install button. This is an integral step that begins the process of integrating the app into your store. Each app may have a slightly different setup process, so make sure to follow the specific setup instructions provided by the app you've chosen. Some apps may require additional permissions, or they might guide you through customizing settings to perfectly blend with your store's theme and overall look. And just like that, you're all set. By integrating a customer reviews app, you've taken a significant step towards building greater credibility and engagement with your customers. Remember, reviews not only help potential buyers make informed decisions, but also show that you value customer feedback. With everything set up, you can now sit back and watch as your customers voice their experiences, helping to enhance your store's success. This concludes today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching and happy Shopify selling.